So we're here today to talk about a few exciting things that are going on.
Oh my goodness, the energy set in motion.
Yeah. So what are we going to talk about first?
Well, the first thing is the meditation retreat.
Okay.
So we're going to talk about your experience with meditation and how the Joe Dispenza Neuro Change Solution retreat that we're bringing to Rochester that we both experienced
A
a year ago, and that we had done the meditations. We had the homework assignment from the workshop, and that began our life change.
Even though we had both been meditating for decades, I would say.
Trying to.
Yeah. We were what we had learned, back in the 80s and brought forward in our lives, and it was more of a relaxation meditation, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, just kind of clearing the thoughts and just trying to get into that realm. But it wasn't until we did the NCS Neuro Change Solution workshop. It's a 10-hour workshop with Joe Dispenza, trainer.
Yes.
Okay, so that's how we started. And so fast forward a year, and the difference has been amazing. So not only did we do the 10-hour workshop, but then we went to in-person workshops also, 2 of them so far. And so on the last retreat that we went on, we met a trainer.
Yes.
Who trains with the Joe Dispenza work and does the NCS workshops. And we really connected with Anne. And so we're bringing Anne to Rochester. A lot of you have been asking for us to teach you the meditation. We'll do the training next year. And so for now, Anne's going to come in and present with us, and she's going to do the NCS training.
And we've created a whole 3-day retreat event. It'll be daytime only. It'll be hosted here in Rochester. And it's September 20, 21, and 22. So save the dates.
Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, third weekend in September. And what did you want to say about?
Well, that it's an in-depth exploration of the science of meditation. And that is what we both appreciated.
And
knowing how the brain works in meditation and what the brain waves are, what the certain brain waves are, alpha, beta, alpha, theta, delta, and gamma.
Right.
And how through meditation we can reach the quantum field.
Right. So it's the quantum field, that's where the magic happens.
Yes.
And so what we've experienced in the past year has been life-changing for us in so many ways.
And it's an inside feeling.
Yes.
It's an inside. It's like your perception on what your reality is completely shifts.
Yes.
So it goes from limited to unlimited.
Unlimited. Yes.
Into infinite possibilities.
And instead of surviving, we're thriving.
Right.
Yes. So that is the difference. And people feel, all of you that come in, you feel the vibe when you come into our studio, and that's what you're feeling is our evolving process.
It's elevated. It's elevated because of this work.
Yes. Yeah.
It has elevated. It's magnified. And it's a feeling. It's not even. It's not words. It's almost like you can't put words.
Yeah, like there's no words.
There's no words to explain it.
Yeah.
You just have to experience it.
Yeah.
And so we're bringing that to Rochester. And Anne, also, wait until you read her biography in the information that we're sending this week on the retreat. And because she is all about revealing and experiencing the gift that you've been given in this lifetime that has been locked.
Yeah, it's like igniting
trapped. It's been trapped.
Yeah.
And so we're igniting that gift, and everyone has a gift, and so you can find out what your gift is.
Yes. So that's really exciting. More information in the email and a little bit of information in the description here on the video.
So make sure that you have us in your contacts so that you get the emails. And it just announce that it's all about the meditation retreat.
Right. Yes. So that, okay. And anything else about the retreat?
Well, yeah, that we're bringing in a somatic yoga teacher that also releases the emotions in the body. We're going to be doing a walking meditation and explaining all the benefits of a walking meditation, because you want to walk as if.
Yeah, so it's like being in the meditation, but you're being in your life.
Yes.
And so that's what the walking meditation prepares you for.
Yes.
Yes.
And there will be some journaling. And we're actually going to also do a bonfire. And what else was there?
Well, we're going to
the infinity symbol.
Yes, the
infinity symbol meditation,
which Deanna and I are going to teach.
Very practical. And what's so great about it is that you're going to have these tools to use. And there's also going to be support after, because there's 4 weekly sessions, Zoom sessions with all 3 of us presenters.
So that you can talk about how you've integrated into your life. And so you have the tools, you have the support.
You have the 30-day journal,
the 30-day journal
workbook that you're going to be expected to follow up every day for about 15 to 30 minutes in doing this practical way of meditating.
Yes, and so the workshop is going to teach you the science of what's happening in your brain. And so knowing the information is what has catapulted us into more of the quantum field work.
Yes.
And that's where the magic happens, like we said.
Yeah. It's very exciting. The energy is set in motion. We can't wait to see.
We're also going to share some of our lifestyle food because all the refreshments and lunches are going to be included in the retreat. So we're so excited. We have only 20 spots available.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. So 20 spots, so it's great for you to sign up now.
It's going to be a nice, intimate, women supporting women uplifting each other. Oh my gosh, it's just got spirit sparks. And because that's what we need. We need that community feeling. We need that support. We need our spirit sisters, because it's our, just, oh my goodness, just having you'll just start to feel the love and compassion just exude from you, and you have to give it to yourself first before you can give it to anybody else. And so this affects every relationship in your life.
Right. And so it's great if you could do it with someone, like we did it together along with my daughter. And so we were able to number one, coach each other on changing the thoughts. So it's changing our thoughts to create a better life for us, or the life that we want to live.
Because thoughts and words have energy, and you're putting that out into the air. And whatever you put out comes back to you. That's the whole law of attraction.
And we have over
60 to 80,000 thoughts a day.
And
90%
or 95% of them are the same
thoughts that we had the day before.
So we start changing those, and that's how our lives change.
Yeah. So and when I think about how I've changed since just a year ago, my thoughts have changed.
Oh yeah.
And so I had even found myself being really kind and gentle to myself, instead of saying, oh, how could you have done that? I say, oh, it's okay.
Because those are the self-sabotaging thoughts.
It's okay. You're doing a great. And so you're talking to yourself this way, talking to yourself as you would a child. And you're just loving yourself up, and that's what it is. It's a feeling. It's not something that you can. It's not tangible,
and it's something that you learn to do in every moment, and having the support afterwards. So bring a friend too if you have someone in mind that would love this as well.